Hi there, it's Azilia here from Tax World. Today I'd like to talk to you about Tax Appeal 132 TACD 2023, which relates to COVID Restrictions Support Scheme. The case involves an appeal by the appellant against the Revenue Commissioner's refusal to allow the appellant to avail of the COVID Restrictions Support Scheme, CRSS. COVID Restrictions Support Scheme was introduced in the Finance Act 2020 to provide financial support to businesses impacted by COVID-19 restrictions. It allows eligible businesses to claim advance credit for trading expenses, ACTE. The appellant's business activities involve broadcasting and promoting events. It earns income from advertisements, sponsorship, and sales of tickets/DVDs/CDs. The Revenue Commissioners determined the appellant was ineligible for COVID Restrictions Support Scheme because its broadcasting activities were an essential service that could continue operating during restrictions. The appellant argues its services were not essential, its business was severely disrupted as events were cancelled, and it should qualify for COVID Restrictions Support Scheme as it was ineligible for other government supports. The Tax Appeals Commissioner found the appellant did not meet the eligibility criteria for COVID Restrictions Support Scheme, as its broadcasting activities fell under the definition of an essential service. No evidence was provided that customers accessed the appellant's premises, another requirement to restrict access under COVID Restrictions Support Scheme rules. The Commissioner determined the appellant must repay the €10,505.60 received in COVID Restrictions Support Scheme payments. If not repaid promptly, the Revenue Commissioners can raise an assessment for 4 times that amount. The Commissioner acknowledged the outcome may be disappointing for the appellant, but must apply the legislation as enacted without deviation. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.